Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we've got a lot of accessories from xTool. And when I mean accessories, I mean like material accessories. So this is their back to school accessories that they sent me. We've got quite a bit of different items here to test out. Some of them are duplicates, and we'll get into that. I'll show you what these look like, and then we're going to show you like an engraving of what this looks like too. It's going to be a super quick video, but I wanted to share with you guys all of the different things that they sent me. But if you haven't checked out like their accessory page, definitely check that out. They've got like tumblers, notebooks, bookmarks. Some of that you're going to see in this video here. And like always, xTool's packaging is phenomenal here. It always has like xTool selected on here for their accessories. They even got these little storage bags now. It looks like little candy bags, so that's super cool. And then we got these smaller boxes that all say xTool selected as well. So just to start off, is because these are harder to stand up on their own here, is we're going to start off with these two right here. These are the little MagSafe wallets. So we'll go ahead and open this up and show you what that looks like here. And then I'll put up an image or a video clip of either the item or it engraving on the screen here for you so you can see what that looks like here. I'm going to open both of these really quickly and pull these out. And as you can see, we've got a black one and a brown one in here. These will engrave a different color. I'm not sure which color these are going to engrave in, if they're going to be silver or gold. I know the notebooks that we're going to be talking about later engrave in gold, so that may be what this does as well. But we're going to see that, or you may have already seen that in the engraving video here. And if you don't know what a MagSafe wallet is, it's basically you just put your little credit cards in it and you can clip it to the back of your MagSafe compatible iPhone. So super cool. This would be great for like college, that type of thing. Next up, we have the leather bookmarks here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'll show you what this looks like as well. These leather bookmarks, I've been seeing them all over social media lately. They look super cool. They're magnetic. They got like a little leather clip on them. And let me see if I can separate this. Sorry for the noise of the cellophane here. But as you can see, we've got 6 different colors here and different varieties here. So it looks like it comes with like a square patch to test on, and then the actual unit itself. So we're going to be able to make bookmarks here as well. I'm going to make one for my wife. And then I may save the rest as I can come up with new designs that I want to go ahead and create on there. So you've got a wide variety of colors on this as well. Next up, we're going to just take a look at this. This is just a type of wood. This is their birch wood, I believe it is. Let me go ahead and pull that out. I'm sure a lot of you know what birch wood looks like already, but let me go ahead and share with you guys what it looks like when it's shipped. It does look like it's shipped flat, and it's packaged really well. And as you can see, that is right there, nice, clear, crisp wood for birch wood here. I'll throw up on the screen another kind of back-to-school project that you can do that I've done in the past as well. These little back-to-school rulers are super popular with kids, preschool or higher. You can create all sorts of stuff with this material here. Next up, we have the actual, let me get some of this stuff out of the way here really quick. Next up, we have the actual leather notebooks here. So the cool thing about xTool is they kind of go above and beyond with their products here. What I mean by that is they even send you like a little test package, a little patch like they did with those bookmarks earlier. And then they give you like a recommended like models that you can do on this. And then you can use like their preset settings. This is the brown one here. This brown one will engrave gold. That's the one that I chose, but you can get them in different colors like silver and those types of things. This is going to be a cool little project here. I might just put my new logo on it, and you guys will see that here in a later video, what I mean by that. And next up, we also have the black notebook here. This one also engraves gold. I chose gold for this one as well. I just think black and gold looks really good on engravings. So we're going to do that as well. This also includes the little leather patch that you can test on as well. So super cool there. And then we're down to our last box here already. And we're going to share with you what this is. This is a really cool little project here. That's why I saved this for last. But what this is their LED pens here. So what you do is you actually engrave on the edge of this pen, and it removes the paint from the edge of the pen, showing like a translucent color. And then when you click the pen, the whole pen lights up, showing whatever image or word or text that you displayed on it. Super cool little product here. Hopefully you guys can see that in the engraving. I really appreciate xTool for sending out these accessories. If you guys have any questions or you're interested in getting some of these really cool accessories, I'll put some links down in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.